Hello, everyone. My name is Anna Ozaki, and I'm the new Mellon Race, Place, and Equity Postdoctoral Fellow. And I'm excited to be teaching a special topics in architecture course this fall. So entitled Plantation Architecture and Climate Change, this course will focus on current discussions in the environmental humanities and architectural history regarding the legacies of the colonial plantation as a social, political, economic, cultural, and spacious system, along with the current politics and discussions regarding the climate crisis. In this course, we'll collectively ask, how could we situate architectural histories within the contested grounds of the Anthropocene and Plantationocene? We will critically adopt the concept of the Plantationocene as proposed by scholars such as Donna Haraway and Anna Singh, amongst others, in 2015, as a better descriptor of the environmental change caused by the entanglements between capital M, men, a creation of the Enlightenment, as we will see, and nature. This revisionist term aims to critically assess discussions regarding the rise of the Anthropocene, a new geological era, according to certain scientists, that follows the Holocene, in which humans have become protagonists in the transformations of the Earth and its environmental systems, according to its main proponents, mainly Crutzen and Stomer, from the early 2000s. While assuming the importance of the Plantationocene as a better descriptor of the historical and material nuances, along with these differences, global differences in environmental responsibility, will emphasize the role of race in the all-encompassing ambitions of the plantation system in creating and implementing a race-based world order. We will take inspiration and learn from post-colonial and Black feminist theories to look at the plantation as a very meaningful geographic prototype that not only housed and normalized vis-a-vis enforced placelessness, according to scholar Catherine McKittrick, racial violence initially in the Americas, but also naturalized a plantation logic that anticipated but did not twin the empirical decay and death of a very complex Black sense of place. So throughout the semester, we will look at the historical construction of the plantation, its systems and afterlives, as well as we will search for repair in situated case studies, buildings, discourses, narratives, testimonies, and global spatial practices. The course especially encourages students to reckon with normative conceptions of the built environment, such as continuations of empire and colonialism, fossil capital, geoengineering, and other mitigation strategies regarding the current climate crisis, as well as read climate and environments through agencies of infrastructure, technology, and grassroots movements. Through methods of architecture history in research and visual analysis, along with writing, genres, and exercises, the class will weekly assess a combination of primary and secondary sources to contend with themes from political and architectural movements, post-colonial and decolonial critiques, other theoretical frameworks from marginalized geographies and other methods, as well as themes such as disaster relief, techniques of mapping and representation, among others. Primary sources will include land treaties, architectural manifestos, professional statements, speculative and implemented designs, scientific reports, artistic genres, and speculative fictions, among other sources. On the one hand, we will scrutinize architecture's complicity in harmful geopolitical and environmental practices. And on the other, we will also expand our repertoires of architectural practices in the built environment that resisted and reimagined futures and realities beyond the colonial plantation. Ultimately, this course, Plantation Architecture and Climate Change, both past and present, offer a powerful reminder that environmental problems cannot be decoupled from histories of colonialism, capitalism, racism, that have made some human beings more vulnerable than others to warming temperatures, rising seas, toxic exposures, land dispossession, among other issues occurring across the globe. I look forward to meeting you, and thank you so much.